therapy should be accepted.
A lot of
Yeah.
Gen Zs, I know, like everybody has a therapist. Like they are laying their decision entirely on a third person. When you make a decision, if that decision comes from within, उसकी एक अपनी conviction होती है, उसकी एक अपनी energy होती है. My doubt is like अगर आने वाले time में how independent they become in their decision making, वो एक question है.
Yeah, I think therapy should be accepted, like counseling therapy. I'll just
True,
put
true.
them in this same bucket.
I
I
think
think.
like जो Gen Z है अभी, like they are doing it quite actively.
Mm,
A lot of
yeah.
Gen Zs, I know, like everybody has a therapist. Like they have like a quick
Mm,
phone पे, chat
yeah.
पे, कैसे भी they are talking to a therapist. तो they help them navigate through life. अब my doubt is like अगर आने वाले time में how independent they become in their decision making, वो एक question है. Because अब सब suppose किसी की life में कपल की लाइफ में लेट्स से कुछ अप एंड डाउन हो गया लाइफ में एंड द गाय जेन्युइनली और द गर्ल जेन्युइनली केयर्स अबाउट द गाय बट दे आर लेइंग देयर डिसीजन एंटायरली ऑन अ थर्ड पर्सन और वो बंदा डजंट नो द थिंग एंटायरली राइट तो हाउ कैन यू let them make important decision of your life you know what I'm trying to say here is कि when you make a decision if that decision comes from within उसकी एक अपनी conviction होती है उसकी एक अपनी energy होती है कि yes my heart says this my soul says this so I'm executing this idea but if you just anchor it on your therapist like okay उसने बस अब ये कह दिया and that's it I'll execute it in this way might end up harming that person more maybe I think तो वो होता है ना मतलब आई फील कि एवरीबॉडी शुड गो थ्रू a certain number of certain events in life right like a breakup like somebody blocking you all those events are important in your life because then you learn ki, oh then you can reflect what I did wrong like how I can
Mm,
and I think yes this is where therapy kind of like help you navigate those things make it more easy to understand but don't rely completely on like some third person to make decisions for you a lot of people kind of mix therapy with like some close friends like oh these are my group people and I'll just discuss it out with them and that's it तो वो एक थोड़ा सा ग्रे जोन हो जाता है